Hello everybody, so today I am very excited because I have a box down here which I'm going to be unboxing. This big old box. I don't want to show you the front side of it, but I'm surprised that it's actually come in a box because every time I've ordered from here it's always come in a bag. But this is a mystery box from CLOAK. CLOAK is the clothing brand made by Markiplier and Jacksepticeye, and I really love their designs. And they had a Cyber Monday deal where it was $60 and you got like $160 worth of stuff, and it arrived today. So I'm gonna see what I got. I'm quite excited. So yes. I'm actually surprised I got a CLOAK brand box. I never usually get a box, it's usually just all chucked in a bag, but I'm so excited. I can't open it. I haven't opened it properly. Okay, if I was gonna pick stuff that I wanted, because it can be from like any collection that they have released in the past, I would like something from the Nevermore collection, which is the Edgar Allan Poe themed one, or like the Pride collections, something like that. But anything, you know, is pretty cool. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 items, I believe, for my $60. So the first thing, I have some CLOAK face masks, which I've always kind of wanted to buy, but never actually got around to doing it. Constructor mask. So these just say CLOAK on them. They have space for filters as well, I think, so that's pretty cool. So I have 2 CLOAK face masks. I think they retail at about $15 each or something like that. Next, I have a Shield shoulder bag. So this is pretty cool. Just a little shoulder bag. Nothing too special, but you know, it's always nice to have a little shoulder bag going on, and if I can represent CLOAK while I'm doing it, then that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, next. Yeah, this is the first thing I'm kind of like, I didn't want anything from this collection. This is a Minecraft, from the Minecraft collection that they did. Yeah. I'm not a Minecraft fan, so this kind of goes a little bit over my head, but the t-shirts are always such good quality. So this one has this design on it. Printing's always really nice, and it has this on the sleeve. But yeah, that's yeah. Okay, next item. Okay, this is another another Minecraft t-shirt. Okay, so far I'm not the most impressed person in the world, but you know. So this is the front. It says CLOAK, Minecraft Dungeons, and then the back has this big old print on it, which I do quite like. But as I said, I'm not a massive fan of Minecraft, so that's. Then, ooh, this looks pretty cool. Okay, so let me show you the actual inside of the box, because it's pretty cool. It's the CLOAK brand thing. This looks cool. What's this? Is this a hoodie? Yes, this is a hoodie. I have one CLOAK hoodie and I absolutely love it, and this is like one of the tie-dye ones. So I like this. Oh yeah, I really like this. I can't remember which collection this is from, but I feel like I got something from it before. It's the, what is it called? Mother Earth collection? I can't remember. But this is the tie-dye top. It's got the Earth print down the sleeves. And yeah, I like this an awful lot. And then this is the back. It says CLOAK all the way down it. Yeah, I have a t-shirt that's from this collection. It's Love Your Mother. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. This is the best thing I got. I love this. This is awesome. So yeah, you've got the CLOAK thing on here as well. Yeah, I really love this because they charge like an extra premium for the tie-dye ones, so this one is awesome. I love this. I feel like it might be a second though, because it has this rip on it. It's not a rip, but it's like a, like it's been sewn up. An actual like defect in it that could come unravelled, so that's not good. But yeah, the hoodie in general I really love. I've wanted one of these tie-dye ones for ages, and yeah. The t-shirts would have preferred from any other collection really. I was kind of, in my back of my mind I was thinking I'm probably going to get something from the Minecraft collection. I wasn't expecting to get 2 t-shirts from the Minecraft collection, but for $60 I suppose you can't complain. Like the t-shirts themselves are like $30 each. The hoodie, like these ones, I think they're like £60, like $80 I think, around that mark. They're expensive, and yeah, I love that. The bag I believe was about $25, something like that, and as I said, the face masks, which is quite comfortable actually. Yeah, they're $15 I believe they usually are, so yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. As I said, this is my favourite thing by a million miles. Not sure about the little defect that I've spotted in it, which I might have to email them about, I'm not sure. But that's quite a, I really don't know if you can see it, but this is like a pull slash, I don't know, it looks like it could definitely come unstitched there. That's really weird. But anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video. I'll probably have more CLOAK hauls in the future. And yeah, I will see you all soon. Adios.